Maray na aga! For today's video nga, isi-share ko sa inyo ang tuli journey ni Nathan. Yes, you heard it right. Magiging binata na ang anak ko. 1 month prior nga, nagpabook na kami sa hospital to schedule his operation. And today, this is it, pansit. Araw na ng paghahato. Naka 8 hours fasting si Nathan. 8 a.m. ang kanyang operation and 6 a.m. we have to be in the hospital. Nathan! Inside.
Okay, very good. I think you also check your bum now. See, this is why it's open from behind. Oh, very good. Huh?
Dari udah beres.
Mommy, why? Why did you have to always?
Please don't get near the video.
Because you're handsome.
Yeah.
You are my baby. You are my baby, you know?
Please.
Okay na. Yes, hindi namin sinabi kay Nathan na ipapatuloy namin siya ngayon. Kasi nagpapanik siya na halos ayaw niyang magpahawak sa doktor. Kaya sinabi namin, i-check lang siya kasi kumakalat ang influenza virus. Nag-start na magpanik si Nathan nang nakita niya ang operating room kasi nakikita niya sa movie kung anong ginagawa sa loob. Pinagbawal na kami at sa labas na kami naghintay.
A few moments later.
And finally, after 4 hours, natapos din ang operation. Halata nga nagrugi pa sa anesthesia si Nathan. Pero ang mas nakakalungkot dito, yung makita ko yung anak ko na nasaktan at umiiyak. Nakakadurog ng puso.
Okay? Then I'll explain to you everything, okay?
Anak, you don't cry. You'll have cold, okay?
Don't cry. Everything is done. Everything is done, okay? Very good. Okay? Nothing is more now. Nothing is more, alright? Everything is done. I'll explain to you everything when we get home, okay? So just relax, but it's very important. Now you listen to what we will say, but you have to just relax, okay? Because you need to heal, okay? That's it. Don't cry, don't stress. Nothing is left. Nothing is more, okay?
May mga nagtatanong na, tuli lang naman, bakit kailangan operahan? Dito po kasi sa Dubai is normal 1-day operation yan. Meaning papasok ka ng umaga, lalabas ka din ng gabi. Comment down below kung paano na ang proseso sa lugar ninyo. And we thank God kasi naging smooth yung operation.
A few moments later.
After 2 hours nga is nakatayo and nakakalakad na si Nathan. Kaya ayan. And finally, makakauwi na rin kami. Time check nga is alas 6 na ng hapon. So pumasok kami ng alas 6 ng umaga at lumabas kami ng alas 6 ng hapon. At hanggang dito na nga lang. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Kung andito nga kayo sa Dubai at balak nyo ipatuli yung anak nyo, pa-consult na kay Dr. Anjana, mabait at magaling.